This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has plenty of amenities to include an optional bonus/4th bedroom. It features a huge great room with vaulted ceiling and large mantled fireplace to enjoy on those cool nights or chilly mornings. Also has an open spacious eat-in kitchen for the chef who loves to entertain while cooking. The laundry room with washer and dryer hookups are located inside. The master bedroom comes with a lighted ceiling fan, trey wood trimmed ceiling, and a large walk-in closet with shelves. While the master bathroom has a separate shower, double vanity sinks, and a 6-foot soaking garden tub. The other bedrooms are located downstairs and have ceiling fans with large closets also. Simply enjoy all your outdoor entertaining needs where one can enjoy a morning cup of coffee on the covered front porch or unwind from the day with a glass of chilled wine on the back patio in the privacy of this home's awesome fenced backyard with privacy. This great home is conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, and lakes to enjoy. Fort Bragg, Highway 301 and I-95 are only a short drive away. Why wait? Come view this beautiful home today and place your offer now before it is too late. Thank you for taking time out of your day and choosing the opportunity for a private showing by visual tour. I can be reached by